preacher pedestal syndrome, right? And I don't even know if this is an actual coined term, but I just thought of it because, you know, a lot of people grew up, especially Black people, grew up in a Black church. And, you know, you put your preacher on a pedestal. He can do no wrong, right? Then some stuff might come out about a preacher and they maybe did some wrong, right? Because they're human or whatever the case may be. So what happens is when people have these platforms, it's not that you care so much about canceling them for their wrongdoing. It's that you put them on a pedestal as someone who was absolved from all wrongdoing. They're humans, right? Like we watched the Michael Jordan documentary, right? Like Michael Jordan's just a hell of a basketball player. He didn't ask. I mean, granted, with great power comes great responsibility. And I got some funny stories about Michael Jordan in terms of like what he does with fans, which I'll leave off this podcast. But I don't want to get a defamation of character, cease and desist. But anyways, like these are just people. They're just people, right? Just because you put them on a pedestal, that ain't got nothing to do with them. You know what I'm saying? And you got to remember that.
Do you know?
Now your heart's broken. Like, oh my gosh, that's why you're mad. Your heart broken. That's it.